Okay, so today I'm going to be replacing the bulbs and all my indicators on the GS500 just because in high light conditions they're very hard to look at, to see, so particularly neutral, so I'm going to replace them with LEDs and see what the result is. Okay, and according to the Haynes manual, to replace the warning bulbs, pull the relevant bulb holder out of the back of the cluster, so I don't have to disconnect a heck of a lot. So all I've done is removed the two mounting bolts for the cluster, and then I've just pulled the bulbs out of the back, and I'll just replace them with LEDs. And here are the replacement bulbs, and here's the old one. That doesn't seem too painful. Let's put them back together and see what it looks like. Okay, this is the next day. Just going to turn it on some bright light. See how they look. Yeah, I think that's a good improvement. Yeah. Quite happy with that.